Hey everybody, I'm super excited to bring you what you've all been waiting for. Since I posted it on social media, I know everyone's been just absolutely dying for this video. But in all seriousness, people have asked me about these jelly drops. So I'm so excited to bring them to you today. So thanks for coming to my channel. So I'm going to show you what I got. I got these. These are the much awaited jelly drops. Jelly drops started in the UK and have only recently made their way to the United States. And nobody could get their hands on them here until me. No, until recently. So they put out a thing and said, hey, you can, order yours, because I was on a wait list and I followed up. So I followed up with them, got on that wait list, and I was able to place my order. So I got a whole bunch of them. And people have been asking some great questions about them. And to be honest with you, I don't know that I have all the answers because I did not invent jelly drops. But I'll try, and I will taste test them here for you today. So they are 95% water. That's the main focus of these jelly drops. They are to provide your loved ones living with dementia, your clients, your residents living with dementia with more water, which is something we all need. Y'all, if you're not drinking water, you're gonna have problems. Our bodies are mostly water. And one of the big problems in senior living is that residents don't get enough water. And it's because staff is doing stuff like this. Do you want water? And the residents go, nope. And so the staff goes, okay, no. What we need to do is, here's some water. But for people who still really aren't interested in sipping that water, these are a really fun option, and they are fun. I'm going to show you. So again, 95% water. The jelly drops are, it's already open. I just got it on my hand. There you go. Sugar-free, low-calorie treats designed to support hydration for those that struggle to adequately hydrate, but also to be enjoyed by everyone. They're perfect to have as a dessert, with dessert, or to snack on throughout the day. And, by the way, naturally sourced colors, sugar-free, gluten-free, and vegan. Cool. Okay, so you open it like this. The new ones are sealed. I've already opened this. I've already taste tested it. What are you gonna do? And this is what they look like. They come in different flavors. Here's a few of them. So they look like little teardrops. They're shaped like little teardrops. And they're fun. I mean, they smell good. They taste pretty good. Are they good for, somebody asked, are they good for people with dysphagia, people who have trouble swallowing? The answer is no. I wouldn't recommend it for people who have trouble swallowing. You do have to chew a little bit. Anyway, you just pop them in. Pretty good. Hopefully my chewing noise is not like extreme on here. We're going to find out when we watch this tape, and we might just take this off. But anyway, they're super easy to eat. They'll slip right out of your hands, so just be aware of that. They come in this container. You can see like just generally their little shape. They're a lot of fun. They taste good. They smell good. And I think people living with dementia would really like these. They made a huge splash when they came out because they're different than anything else we've seen before. I'm probably not going to be able to answer too many of your questions again because I didn't invent these, but they are really cool. That I would recommend them. Give them a try. And my best advice is like, how do you get these? Go on the website, get on their wait list. These will be publicly available in March. So it's mid-January right now. They'll be available in March. So again, this is what they look like up close. Very much jello-y, right? But they're not going to like lose their shape. Once you open them, you do need to consume within 7 days. They do not need to be refrigerated. So that's nice and easy for storage. Just keep them in a cool, dark place. If you keep them in the box and you keep them in like a storage closet, you should probably be fine as long as it's clean. A lot of fun. If you can get your hands on some of these, definitely try them out. I'll be bringing them with me next week on a couple client visits. We'll see if they let me take them on the plane. They're 95% water. I kind of expected them to be like water, right? And they're not like that at all. Like, yeah. Again, hopefully it doesn't sound like I'm chewing. So there we go. I would check it out, get on their website and sign up so you can get yourself some of these jelly drops before they open to everybody else. And if not, you'll be able to get them in March. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe and stick around for more videos.